Have you ever wondered what it is like to be an action sports filmmaker?
This is what you see on our Instagram. But what it actually means is beyond anything most people can even imagine.
Okay.
Oh my God.
It really all started off with social media. We started to upload some of our most exciting moments. And at that point we got a huge amount of views on this stuff, and this really helped us to make a living out of this.
I'm Jakob.
And I am the older brother, Matthias. We are multisport athletes, content creators and producers.
And we are known as the Vega Brothers.
Already as young kids, our parents had a really hard time to keep us in the house. We always wanted to go out there to see where our limits are. And as we grew up, we became professional kayakers, and we raced for many years in the national teams until we actually figured out that we want to be in the mountains and we want to do adventures.
So we took this training mentality to all the other sports. We tried to improve every day, and we really got into mountain sports. From snowboarding, climbing, paragliding, everything what inspired us. We started to improve, we went into steeper lines, we started to do first descents.
What is this? Holy shit.
We felt like on those short content videos we cannot really show what is really behind those adventures.
So we got more and more convinced that we want to share our stories in longer formats, that we want to start our YouTube channel, and that we want to start producing documentaries. And that really changed our life.
In those long formats we can really tell the full story, from the preparation to the hike to all the safety aspects. And it was not only about the highlight of the day, which you can show in a 10-second reel, but we really were able to show the full story, and that was really cool for us.
We were so motivated and we were dedicated to put so much effort into this, because producing those long formats in such an alpine environment is really hard. And that's really where Insta360 cameras make the difference, because if you're already so much on the limit that it's barely possible to make it happen yourself, you cannot think about big cameras and trying to make super cinematic pictures on a tripod.
Really good, back. 90 meters to go.
Being out there in those alpine environments and doing the sports we love to do obviously involves a certain level of risk.
Alles gut bei dir?
For us, it's really important to be aware of this. We try to be as safe as possible, but we also know that there is a certain residual risk, and that at some point we can do a mistake. But we figured out for ourselves that it's exactly this what we love and what we love the most. And for us, a life without it would not be worth living.
We are very thankful to have this opportunity to go out with a film crew. We are having amazing adventures out there. So it's not only about sharing it somewhere and getting a lot of clicks, but it's also a way of documenting our adventures for ourselves.
Holy shit.